out that these are the two, and they are they have a connection. You have to connect them, male and female. Like this one is the female, and the other one is the male. Yesterday we installed already this door. There. Okay. And then these two windows. So this is the window that we are installing. So I already asked my guy yesterday to put this paper. So since these are not below the window or around the window are not shear wall, so you can cover like this. And the shear wall, they will check the nailing and shear wall over there. So this one. So we're using this plushing, and one side is sticky on one side. I use you know, wrap around the window sill framing, and there, like that. So you have to put first the bottom part, wrap around 3 inches there, and then on the left and right side, and then the one on top we will put it once the window is in place, like that one. Okay, so like this one, I just cut a small piece to properly seal this corner, put like that, and then this one force it like that, so you know, to cover the all wood that are exposed. I don't want to see that there is a wood exposed on this corner. You know, that is the source of the dry rot wood around the window. So let's go inside and start doing this one. So this is already prepared. Yeah, so as you can see, all bottom window, they are like that, and then we just put a plushing all around, because this is a sticky on one side, because once you put this one, this paper is difficult to put underneath that. It will be crippled, you know, it's difficult, so it's better to put it like this. Just like my bend over there, I did it like that. I cannot put paper below because below is a shear wall. There. Okay, so the inside, I will use my level, the laser level, to level the window, properly level the window. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see the line, the laser line there, somewhere there, like that. So I will use the, you can use a regular level also, the one that is, you know, but since I have this one, I will use this laser level. I don't know if you can see that line. Okay, we managed to put it inside. It's too tight. There, and now you need to put clamp on top and bottom, like that one. See that there, put clamp there, top and bottom, inside and out. Okay, put clamp inside and out. So since these are casement window, you can open them. Okay, you need to open them both, so just grab the frame. Okay, just tied it little by little, slowly, top and bottom. Once it's locked to each other, you will hear a click. There, they lock to each other. So that is the sign that they are good now. Okay. Okay, they will lock. You will hear a click, and then they will lock to each other. And then all we have to do now is level everything and screw them, because that one is just temporary screw. Let me put it on a time lapse, because the leveling this and screwing this one, it takes time. Okay, we will install this drip cup. All of the top of the window, they have drip cup. We will install them. You have to put this screw every 12 inches, like that. Okay. and of course on the door is more than that, maybe 8 inches. I pre-drill this one because this double, but on this one you don't need to pre-drill. This screw will penetrate on those things. Okay, so now it's time to put this flashing. Actually my guy made the mistake on this, putting this one. You know, you cannot, you know, it's just like a waste of materials putting that one there. So since you put that there, I will use the 6 inches instead of the 9 inches. Okay. So the way you do this is, you know, peel on one side. I don't like wearing gloves, just for safety. Okay, so the way you install this is, you know, you start on one side, press it like that, and make sure it is straight. Just pull it on the other side, and like that. Okay. So like that, press it like that, and now try to push. Okay, so just like that. Okay, open. Pindot, isang pindot para mag-open. Okay, so we will start removing this clamp. Yeah, remove everything. No, I got it. Okay. Okay, we'll try one by one. There. Lock. So lock beautifully. Open. The other one. Okay, there. So lock beautifully. Open, and let's check the level. Okay, there. I don't know if you can see the laser light. It's level, and it's plump up to there on top. Okay, so that's how you install this Western window system, and these are casement and two. There are two window in one opening. One is female and the other one is male. These are they call casement window. Okay, that's all for now, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you. Bye.